In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slide text in Shotcut. By the end, you'll be able to make clean, professional sliding text that enters and exits your video exactly when you want it to. Start by clicking the clip in your timeline where you want the sliding text to appear. Make sure the playhead is parked around the point you want the animation to start so you can see your changes as you work. With the clip selected, go to the Filters panel. Click the plus button to add a new filter, then search for and choose Text. Simple. You'll see your text appear in the preview. Type the words you want to use. You can fine-tune the look here, adjust font, size, and color so the text is readable against your footage. Now let's animate it. In the text, simple filter, find the position control. At the bottom of that section, click the keyframe button to enable keyframes for position. This lets Shotcut create motion over time. Next, open the preset menu, the one labeled with an S, and choose Slide In from left 10. Shotcut instantly sets up the entry animation, bringing your text on screen from the left. Decide where you want the text to start sliding out. Move the timeline marker to that spot. With the position keyframe still active, click the keyframe button again to mark this point. Then open the preset menu one more time and select Slide Out Right. This tells Shotcut to animate the text off to the right from this moment forward. To refine the timing, look at your clip in the timeline and use the small circles at the top corners of the clip. Dragging these lets you adjust how the slide in and slide out feel. Shorter adjustments make the movement feel quicker. Longer ones make it feel smoother and more gradual. Play the video to preview the result. If the text appears too early or leaves too late, nudge the timeline marker and keyframes until the timing lines up with your visuals. A quick tip: if you don't see the animation, double-check that the clip is highlighted and that you applied the presets to the position keyframes in the text. Simple filter. Also, make sure your text color contrasts well with the background so the movement stands out. And that's it. That's how to slide text in Shotcut. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.